Hey there, food lovers. Today I've got some mind-boggling facts about the foods you thought you knew. Ready to have your taste buds and your brain tantalized? Let's dive in. First up, cheese. Did you know that cheese is the most stolen food in the world? That's right. Around 4% of all the cheese made globally ends up being stolen. Next time you're nibbling on that delicious cheddar, remember it's a hot commodity. Now let's talk about cucumbers. These crunchy veggies are a whopping 96% water, making them one of the best snacks for staying hydrated. So maybe swap out that water bottle for a cucumber next time you hit the gym. Moving on to carrots. Originally, these weren't the orange wonders we know today. Carrots used to be purple, white, or yellow. The bright orange carrot was cultivated by Dutch farmers in the 16th century as a tribute to the Royal House of Orange. Talk about a royal snack. Here's a nutty fact for you. Peanut butter can be turned into diamonds. Yes, you heard it right. The high carbon content in peanut butter means it can be transformed into diamonds under extreme conditions. That's some expensive spread. Apples are a popular fruit, but did you know about their buoyancy? An apple can float in water because 25% of its volume is air. That's why bobbing for apples is so much fun at parties. Now let's break a myth. White chocolate isn't technically chocolate because it lacks cocoa solids. It's mainly made from cocoa butter, sugar, and milk solids, so it's kind of the rebel of the chocolate world. Ever thought about growing food in space? Well, potatoes were the first food to be grown outside our planet. Back in 1995, NASA and the University of Wisconsin teamed up to grow potatoes in space. That's one small step for spuds, one giant leap for spudkind. And what about pineapples? These tropical treats can take up to 3 years to reach full maturity. They're the only edible members of the bromeliad family. So a lot of patience is required for these prickly snacks. Here's a surprising protein fact. Broccoli has more protein per calorie than steak. While you'd need a lot more broccoli to match the protein in steak, it's incredibly protein-rich per calorie consumed. Maybe it's time to beef up your diet with broccoli. Lastly, celery is known as a negative calorie food because it takes more energy to digest than the calories it provides. It's also about 95% water, so munching on celery is almost like a workout. There you have it, 10 surprising facts about everyday foods. Next time you sit down to eat, think about the incredible stories behind these common items. Stay curious, keep exploring, and as always, enjoy your food. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious facts and surprising science. Catch you next time.